Ladies and gentlemen, homeboys, homegirls.
Like myself, I think you're going to be very interested in this story that we're going to tell you.
Be a good picture either way.
Destination Earth.
Thanks for asking me, but no.
These manuals are full of accurate information.
Consciousness, knowledge of one's own existence, the thoughts and feelings of an individual or of an aggregate of people.
So that's what they're all doing. No wonder I couldn't find them.
Don't worry about the equipment. Imagine all the fun you can have in the back.
It's more fun for you that way.
What's happening, baby?
The problem is really quite simple. Find the best path to get from point A to point B.
We're going to kick their asses.
You know that. I know it.
We describe it as dirt for money's sake.
Now it's back in the bank, but it will pass through many, many more hands before it is worn out and withdrawn from circulation.
Quality control.
Be quiet. Don't make a sound.
Bringing this thing to you. Ringing bell. The bell the ringing. No. Go back to your own bed.
Look. Come on.
What?
Look at this.
Wake up.